I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the safety check feature on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Your first step is to open your Settings app. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and select that option. Next, scroll down again and you will find Safety Check. Tap on that. Now you have two options here: Emergency Reset or Manage Sharing and Access. If you need to immediately stop all sharing, like your location and other data with everybody, every app, use Emergency Reset and then follow the prompts to instantly reset your access. If you use Emergency Reset, this is typically if you have a stolen device, it has that protection turned on. Stop sharing with all the people and revoked access from all apps. You can add or remove emergency contacts. You can add or remove trusted devices and phone numbers. You can change your Apple account password and your iPhone passcode. Now for a more controlled view, tap Manage Sharing and Access. This will guide you through people and apps that have access to your information. Then review app permissions. You can stop sharing anything you're not comfortable with. After using Security Check, only the people and apps you deliberately allow will have access. This feature is designed to help you with regaining privacy in very sensitive situations.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.